a bottle episode you had, huh?
Keep on playing all together now.
Dino Fury Power! Saturday mornings are getting prehistoric with all new episodes of Power Rangers Dino Fury.
Oh, yeah! It's morphin' time!
Packed with dynamite powers.
Should I be scared? T-Rex Fury Strike!
New Roarsome Zords. And new Jurassic Megazords.
T-Rex Blazing Mega Strike!
Don't miss all new episodes of Power Rangers Dino Fury. Coming soon on Nick.
Today,
Ready for a treat?
we're letting the power of kindness shine.
Challenge accepted.
Time to make a friend smile.
I've never seen you laugh like that. Yeah!
Or change someone's life.
I've never really had a friend before.
Well, now you do, because anything is possible with a generous heart.
Helping people is my favorite thing to do.
Kindness Fridays, today starting at 3:30 p.m. on Discovery Family, now more than ever. All together now.
You wanted to save on prescriptions. So you went online and got so confused that your brain went offline. Next time, ask your helpful CVS pharmacist. We created a proprietary search tool that analyzes ways to help lower your prescription costs. Just drop in before you conk out. See what you might save at CVS Pharmacy.
Keep on loving all together now.
Now Boogie Nights. Over 80 disco classics. Sing along with your favorite stars. Timeless dance floor classics.
I can boogie.
This year's most fabulous album has arrived. Now Boogie Nights.
I'm Saweetie, and this is my McDonald's order. I get a Big Mac, Chicken McNuggets, fries, and a Sprite with sweet and sour and barbecue sauce. But I like to mix it all up. So I'm gonna put some fries on my Big Mac. Or top my fries with Chicken McNuggets. That's right. Or make a totally new sandwich like this. As long as you're doing you, you're doing the Sweetie now. Order ahead on the McDonald's app.
Are you ready? Excuse me? What? To party?
This is huge. I know.
I'll be there for you. 2 times a night. I'll be there for you. The times are just right. I'll be there for you.
Hello?
Where you'll find your friends. I'll be there for you. Keep on dancing all together now.
Hello there, Potion Nova. Nope, too casual. Hello, Miss Nova. Psyched for my first day as your potion apprentice. Don't know how she feels about puns.